Hello everyone! Welcome back to our series on solving LeetCode problems. I'm Hamid, and this is the second video in our series. In the first video, we started our journey into the world of coding challenges. Today, we're going to tackle another interesting problem. So, let's dive right in. Today's problem is called Remove Duplicate from Stored Array 2 from LeetCode. The problem statement is as follows. Given a stored array nums, remove the duplicate in place such that duplicates operate at the most twice and return the new lengths. We should not allocate extra space for another array. We must do this by modifying the input array in place with one extra memory. The order of elements can be changed, but it doesn't matter what you leave behind the new lengths. For example, if the input array is 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, then after removing the duplicates, the array should be 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, and the new length should be 5. Now let's move on to our solution.
At the first, I have an array containing n items. Array items start from 0 to n.
To solve this problem, we need to use
Two pointers, I and j. The pointer I will keep track of the current element, and the pointer j will keep track of the next element.
If I consider the array name
nums,
we will compare the value of nums I,
nums I, and nums j.
If they are equal, we will check how many times this value has operated so far. If it has operated more than twice, we will delete nums j from the array using the splice method. Otherwise, we will increment j by 1 or j plus plus. If nums I and nums j are not equal, we will increment both I and j by 1, I plus plus and j plus plus. And we will repeat this process until j reach the end of the array. Then we will return I plus 1 as the new length of the array. Let me show you how this works with an example. Suppose the input array is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3.
My index start from 0, 1 until n. My array nums. Okay, my array nums.
Okay, we start with I equal 0, I, and j equal 1, j. We compare nums 0 and nums 1. Nums 0, 0, nums 1, 0. They are equal. So we check how many times 0 has apparate. So now I equal 0 and j equal 1, 1 subtract 0 equal 1. So it has apparate once. So we increment j by 1.
Okay. Now we have I equal 0 and j equal 2. Nums 0 or nums a equal 0, nums 2 or nums j equal 1. We compare 0 and 1. They are not equal, so we increment both I and j, but we do increment, we must j plus plus and I refer to j. That's mean j plus plus and I refer to j. Okay. Now I equal 2, j equal 3, nums I or nums 2 equal 1, nums 3 equal 1. We compare 1 equal 1. They are equal, so we check how many times 1 has apparate. For these 3, subtract 2 equal 1. Okay, so 1 has apparate, it has apparate once, so we increment j by 1. So j plus plus j. Okay, j equal 1, 2, 3, 4, j 4. Okay, nums 2 equal 1, nums 4 equal 1, and 4 subtract 2 equal 2. So they are equal. So we check how many times 1 has apparate, and it has apparate twice. Okay, so we increment j by 1, j by 1, and delete this item j here and
continue. I 2 j 4 or 5 1 and 1. 1 equal 1. So for subtract 2 equal 2, and again they are still equal. So j, how many times 1 has appeared? It has appeared twice again. So we increment j by 1 and remove this. J, remove this. Okay. Now I equal 2, and now j equal 4. Nums 2 equal 1. Nums 4 now equal 2. Compare 1 and 2. They are not equal, so we increment both. For this, first I refer here, and j equal j plus plus. Okay, and now I refer 4 and j refer 5. Nums 4 now equal 2. Nums 5 equal equal 3. 2 and 3 they are not equal, so we increment both. For increment again j, I refer j and j plus plus. Okay, now I 5 and j 6. Okay, I 5 has a 3, and j 6 has a 3. Okay, 3 equal 3, so they are equal. So we check how many times 3 has appeared. For this, 6 subtract 5 equal 1. So 3 has appeared once, and so increment j. When increment j greater than n length or nums length, so and iterate. Now I equal 5, and my array is 0 0 1 1 2 3 3. Okay, so I return I plus 1 and return this array. Okay,
let's go to write code step by step on LeetCode and run code. Let's go.
now let's write the code for this algorithm on LeetCode. Okay, We will use JavaScript as the programming language. First, we declare two variables I and j, okay, and initialize them to 0 and 1. Let I equal 0, okay, let j equal 1. Okay. Then we use a while loop to iterate over the array until j reach the end. And I use while j smaller than num's length, and also j num length. Okay. Inside the loop, we compare nums I and nums j. If nums I not equal nums j, okay, I replace by j and j plus plus, okay. Else if nums I equal by nums j, if nums I equal nums j, if they are equal, we check how many times this value has appeared so far by calculating j minus I. Okay, I say if j minus I greater than equal to, if it is more than 2, we delete nums j from the array using the splice method. That's it. And nums splice j 1, and else, okay, j plus plus. That's it. After that, I can return j plus 1, and that's it. Okay, let's go on this code on LeetCode. Run. Yes, accept. And as you can see, our code works correctly and has a time complexity of O(n) and a space complexity of O(1). That is for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video. Thank you for watching and happy coding!